Hey, welcome back to BoxHero. In this video, we're covering one of the most useful features in the mobile app, barcodes. This includes both scanning and printing, which will save you a ton of time when you're moving inventory or labeling items. So, let's get into it. We'll start with barcode scanning. Let's create a new transaction for a stock out. Maybe we're fulfilling an order or shipping something out. First, select a location. If applicable, select a partner. Now, here's where the magic happens. When I go to select items, instead of searching manually for specific items or products, I'm actually just going to scan the barcodes directly by tapping the scan icon in the top right. For this demo, I'll be using the built-in camera on my Samsung Galaxy. I'll go ahead and scan, and scan. You can see here the quantity has been updated to 3. Make sure everything looks good, and then we'll submit. All right, now that transaction has been completed, and the end result is essentially the same as selecting your items by hand, but scanning can make the process a lot faster by pulling up your items automatically. Now let's talk about barcode printing. Printing labels in BoxHero can come in handy if your items or products don't already have barcodes. From the home screen, let's go ahead and scroll down. And under barcode labels, let's tap Print Item Label. We need to select a label design, but first, make sure you create a template from your laptop or computer. Once the label design is set up, you can print from your phone. I already set up a few templates from the web, so let's go ahead and select this one. It's an Avery US 5523 that shows the item name, the barcode image, and the barcode number in text. Now, we'll select which items to print the labels for. Again, you can browse your list, or you can just scan a barcode to find the item right away. Let's go ahead and scan the baby wipes again. And we'll print 9 labels for this item. Tap Apply, and then we'll tap Done and hit Print. A quick note. Make sure your printer and phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network before tapping Print again. Now, we can choose a printer. You can also adjust the paper size, orientation, and other settings right here. Before we wrap up, let's go over a couple more things on barcode scanning. We'll go back a few screens. In the bottom right, let's go to Settings. We'll scroll down to Barcode Scanning, right here. And for team settings, you can enable GTIN Scanning, which follows the GS1 global standard by toggling here. Then there's personal settings, which each member in your team can configure separately. For the scanner method, you can choose from 3 options. Maybe I don't have an external scanner and I always want to scan with my phone camera. For input type, you can choose between raw key event or keyboard input. And for barcode types, you can limit recognition to specific formats like a data matrix or a code 128, or you can just leave it on all to recognize everything. And finally, you can toggle your vibration and sound settings on or off. Alright, that's a wrap on barcode scanning and printing in the BoxHero mobile app. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.